So moving on to paragraph type questions, we have paragraph number 1 based on question 47, 48 and 49, which says that consider a function fx is equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 x sin x ft dt plus 4 upon pi square minus 8 integral 0 to pi by 2 t cos x f dash t dt, where f0 is equal to 1 and f of pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Then which of the following options is or are correct? So students, what we do in this type of questions, the integral is with respect to t. तो जो x की terms होंगी, they will be treated as constants और उसको हम बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. So we have in the first line of the question, I'm going to take all the x terms out of the integration sign. So x sin x by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 ft dt. Now this value will be a constant quantity plus 4 cos x upon pi square minus 8 integral 0 to pi by 2 t f dash t dt. Now in the second part, t f dash t dt, I will apply by parts. So what will happen? Fx will be x sin x by 2. Let us say this quantity is equal to lambda because it is a constant. 4 cos x upon pi square minus 8. First function into integration of second function from 0 to pi by 2 minus differentiation of t 1 integration of f dash t is ft dt from 0 to pi by 2. And I have already assumed 0 to pi by 2 ft dt as lambda. So this comes out to be x sin x by 2 into lambda plus 4 cos x upon pi square minus 8. Here I will have pi by 2 into f pi by 2. So pi square by 4 minus lambda. So this is fx. Students, carefully mentioning again, lambda is integration 0 to pi by 2 ft dt. So I'll solve the question further from here. So lambda is integral 0 to pi by 2 ft dt. I have already calculated fx over here. In equation number 1, I know what is fx. So I know ft also. That will be integral 0 to pi by 2 t sin t by 2 into lambda plus 4 cos t upon pi square minus 8 into pi square by 4 minus lambda dt. So I have lambda is equal to lambda by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 t sin t dt plus this will be pi square minus 4 lambda upon pi square minus 8 into 0 to pi by 2 cos t dt. So I have taken the LCM and cancelled 4 over there. Okay. So from here I'll get, you can easily evaluate 0 to pi by 2 t sin t dt. It will come out to be 1. And this particular value, pi square minus 4 lambda upon pi square minus 8, we know that 0 to pi by 2 cos t dt is also 1. So from here I'll get the value of lambda is equal to 2. So if lambda is 2, we have from here fx as x sin x plus cos x. So this is the function which we have to consider now. Okay. Fx is an even function. Obviously yes, because x is an odd function, sin x is an odd function. So odd into odd is even. Cos x is already even. Correct. Fx is a periodic function. Wrong, because x sin x is not periodic. Integration 0 to pi by 2 fx dx. Yes, integration 0 to pi by 2 you can easily integrate. We've already seen it is equal to 2. Integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 fx dx is equal to 0. Definitely not true because it is an even function. So definite integration can never be 0. Okay. So it is wrong. The value in fact will come out to be equal to 4. So final answer for question number 47 is AC. We have identified the function for the next two questions also. It is x sin x plus cos x. Let us move on to 48. Fx is x sin x plus cos x. Question number 48. wants me to find out the intervals in which fx is increasing. So definitely we'll have to differentiate it. f dash x में क्या आएगा? x into cos x आएगा प्लस एक sin x आएगा और यहाँ से minus sin x आएगा. So x into cos x is the final value of f dash x. Fine. So we have four options. Obviously, I need function to be increasing, so f dash x has to be positive, which means that if x is negative, cos x has to be negative. That means both option number A and option number B are true. Again, if x is positive, cos x has to be positive also. Option number C, cos x is negative. Option number D, cos x is negative. Final answer rests as A and B. Okay. Let us move on to 49. fx is equal to x sin x plus cos x. Question number 49 says that fx is defined in the interval minus 7 pi by 2 to 7 pi by 2. Then which of the following is our correct? We've already calculated f dash x, it is x cos x. In the given interval, f dash x will be equal to 0 at the following points: 0, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 is just an open interval. Over here it is minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2 and minus 5 pi by 2. So in total 7 points of local extremum. Let us check x equal to 3 pi by 2 only. Around x equal to 3 pi by 2, the value of f dash x goes from negative to positive. So it is a minima. D option is wrong. So this is minima. X equal to 0, minima. X equal to minus 3 pi by 2, minima. So 3 points of minima, 4 points of maxima. A is correct, B is wrong. Number of points of inflection. For that we'll have to go for f double dash x. Now what is f double dash x? F dash x is x cos x. F double dash x is cos x minus x sin x. So f double dash x equal to 0 will give you tan x equals 1 by x. In the interval minus 7 pi by 2 to 7 pi by 2, I need the number of solutions. So pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. And similarly on the negative side, this is y equal to tan x, 1 by x. It will be something like this. So students, so we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 points of intersection over here. And similarly in the third quadrant, we are getting 4 more points of intersection. So total number of points of inflection will be equal to 8. Okay. That means option number C is the correct one. Okay. AC will be the final answer for this question. Let us move on to the next paragraph now.